Meaning of illegible.
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 Illegible. The term illegible refers to something that is difficult or impossible to read or decipher. Illegible handwriting or print can result from a variety of factors, such as poor penmanship, low-quality printing, or obscure vocabulary and sentence structures. Illegibility can pose challenges in many contexts, including legal documents, medical records, and personal correspondence. Frustration, confusion, and delay can result from trying to decipher illegible writing or print. To overcome these difficulties, it can be helpful to use high-quality printing, clear handwriting, and concise language to ensure that text is legible and easily understood.